Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our T800 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to have a teardown of this Ultra watch clone. Let's see what's inside the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so practically we are going to open the smartwatch and of course destroy it. Okay, and let's see what's inside this wearable. Okay, I'm curious to see if what's inside this smartwatch. As you can see here, it is wireless charging. Okay, and of course it is loaded with new hardware. Okay, new specs. So let's see. So if you have any questions regarding this T800 Ultra smartwatch teardown, okay, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. Previously we already, okay, removed the case here or the back cover slightly. Okay, not totally. Okay, so this time we are going to, okay, fully remove the PC or the back cover here. I think this is a PC material. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me have this one still glued on the, it's still glued on the zinc alloy body frame here. I don't know if this is an IML back cover. So this is not a screw here, as you can see. It's just a drawing, so fake. So let's see if we can open this. Okay, it's okay if we will not be open it, will not open it perfectly. Okay, just wait. Okay, okay, I think we've finally done it. Okay, so I guess, so we have here, maybe this is the sensor. Oh no, it's a magnetic for the, it's a magnet, this one. Let's see. So this is for the wireless charging, and this one, okay, I don't know if what this thing, maybe it's the vibrator motor. Okay, so let's have a closer look. As you can see here, so there are no screws so far. You have the battery here. Okay, let's try to remove this. It is glued on the back cover. I think this is a vibrator motor, I think. Not sure. There's a logo here. Okay. This is the wireless charging. The speaker here. Okay, additional button here, the action button. And we have here the ground button and another button here. Let's try to remove the battery. Okay, we have successfully removed the battery. So there's no screws. Okay. Guess we don't have a choice but to really destroy it to open the smartwatch. Okay. So this is the board. Let's try to remove the board. I guess it will be impossible for us to remove the board, okay, this way. Okay, I guess we have to remove the screen display here to be able to remove the motherboard. As you can see here, this one is blocking the board as well as the frame here. Okay, so we have to remove the screen display here. Okay, so we can remove the board. Okay, so we'll get back to you when we are able to at least loosen the screen display here. Okay, so we were able to push the screen display here. Okay, it's beginning to fall off, as you can see. Okay, so we got the screen display, and that's it. So we're getting closer to unveiling the contents of our Ultra. Okay, so we have here the mic. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, and I think we can put this back together again and see if it still works, as long as we don't tear down the connections here. So we're almost done, as you can see here. Okay, so we got it. Okay, again, this is the PC material here, or the IML back cover with the magnet here. Okay, we have the screen display. Okay, still intact. Okay, it's a good thing it's still intact. We have the battery. So this one, it's a rubber gasket for the speaker, I think, or mic. Yes, this is the microphone. As you can see here, we do have the microphone. We have the magnetic charging. I guess this is the vibrator motor. So this one, okay, it's located here. I don't know what this is. As you can see here, this one, okay, I don't know what this is. Maybe the memory, I don't know. We have the U3. Okay, so very small text here. I do hope you can search it later on online if what is the chip for this wearable. We do have here the battery, 220 mAh, 3.7 volts. Okay, so where's the power button? So we have here the power button. Okay, we are going to put it back together. So this is the power button. Okay, so this is the power button here, and we have here the screen display. So there's no battery, I think. Okay, so this is the magnetic. Let's try to put it back together. So again, this is the button here, the crown button, and we have another button here, the orange action button here, and this one, the bell shape button. Okay, so for the screen display, okay, it is attached here, I think, here. Okay, so these two, I think these two are connected here, this one. Okay, so let's try to put it. So this one, it is connected here, I think. Okay, let's try to attach this. So small. Yes, let's see. So this is attached this way. Oh, okay, this way. We'll try to lock it if we can. Okay, so it's now locked. Oh, okay, so we already attached it, as you can see. Okay, so we do have here a complete setup, okay, of our smartwatch. Okay, the D the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so let's have a closer look here. So this is your T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, the hardware of your T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so this one, the vibrator motor, I think. Okay, it's I guess we cannot put it back now. It's broken. Okay, but we have here the most important part. Okay. Okay, we tried to put it back together again. Okay. And seems like I guess it's working, as you can see here. Okay, it's charging. Okay. So if I remove this one and put it back again, as you can see here, the smartwatch is charging. Okay, we just attach the screen display here, as you can see. Okay, so we did not, and we turn it on. Okay, this is the power button here. So the speaker is still attached. Okay, as well as the battery here, as well as the wireless charging. Okay, feature here or hardware. Okay, as you can see here, it is attached here. Okay, so it still works. Okay, the only thing is that this one, the vibration motor, I think. Okay, if this is really the vibration motor, I'm not sure. Okay, we'll check it online, but so far everything works, and we will try to attach it again. Okay, and see if this thing works. But right now, let's enjoy first the contents. Let's see the contents of this wearable. Very simple here. Okay, only few hardware, but as you can see here, it is very sophisticated. Okay, you do have the wireless, the board, the screen display here, and the battery. still working after we remove it from its body frame. Okay, so these are the contents. Okay, I'll arrange it. Okay, this is the frame. This is the IML back cover of our T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, and so far, okay, thankfully it still works after we remove it from its body frame. Okay, with the exception of this one. I don't know if where is this thing attached. Okay, I forgot. Okay, it's accidentally removed from its motherboard. Okay, then let's remove this one. Okay, okay, let's wait for it to be fully charged, and I will try to attach it again to the frame of the T800 Ultra smartwatch. So that's it for our teardown for our T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, a watch ultra clone. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video, okay, teardown of the T800 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, so we managed to put it back together here with the exception of this one. I guess this is the vibration motor. Okay, so this one, okay, so it's for the pill shape button here. Okay, earlier we stated that it's the power button. I guess this is also works as power button, as when we turn the smartwatch we use the pill shape button here, because this location here is for the rotating crown button and the orange action button. This one, okay, with the magnet here, I guess this is the speaker, as it is located here on the speaker grill. Okay, so right now we are going to attach, okay, the screen display. Okay, so no hope for this one. Okay, and we already have it here, the magnetic wireless charging, or the wireless charging with the magnet here, okay, on the IML back cover. So let's attach the screen display. It still works. Okay, so let's see. I guess we need a glue later on to completely attach the screen here. Okay, temporarily just put it that way. We don't want to crack the screen here. Okay, seems like everything is okay. So let's see. How about this one? Cross fingers, hopefully it works. Just add some industrial glue later on. Okay, so this one, goodbye to this one, and let's see. Okay, so far as you can see here, it is now charging. Okay,